Hello, here at thecheapplace.com we sell iron-on patches. Every patch that we make has got this plastic backing on the backside with the model number and a barcode. And you can iron these patches on, or you could sew them on. But a lot of people lately have been asking about the Velcro patches. Now, we do not sell any Velcro patches, but we do have these hook backings that you can buy from us. They're just peel and stick, and they have a very strong acrylic glue on the back of them, which withstands the heat exposure that your patch is going to get from the sun. So this material sticks on really well, and in our experience of using them, they work pretty well. Maybe not as well as once they're sewn on, because usually what people do is they sew on these hook backings on the back of patches, but they just came out with these super strong acrylic glue backed hook backings that you can just peel away and apply to the back of your iron-on patch and turn it into a Velcro patch. Now, it is a pain in the butt to make this video using these gloves, but in the past somebody made a comment about my fingers being too dirty, so I wear these Dexter gloves to record these videos for you guys. So all I'm going to do is just going to drop the patch on top of this hook backing. And may I emphasize that this is not Velcro. This is a hook backing. Velcro is a registered trademark of some company, perhaps 3M. But you see, I did not stick this on properly. It sticks out here, and it's not super even, but not a problem. This thing just peels right off. Probably is a good idea to take the barcode sticker off of these things before you apply the Velcro backing, or I'm sorry, hook backing. But in my case, I forgot. So again, you just take the patch and just try to drop it as evenly as possible. Now, we sell these in quite a different sizes. This is the 4 by 1.5 inch, which goes on almost all of our patches. Our saying patches are 4 by 1.5 inches. So this size 4 by 1.5 inch is for these patches, but we do sell them for 4 by 2 and 4 by 2.5 inches as well. So now you have a hook backing patch. You can put this on your tactical gear. It'll just stick onto those loop backings that you find on backpacks or military jackets, or you can actually buy the loop backings too that you could sew onto your clothing to easily attach patches on or off. Anyways, here is a simple idea. So any patch that we sell, you're looking for a hook backing, just get these on our website. If you buy the patch, these things are $1 extra to get. We just include them in your order for you. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. Ride safe as always, and take care.